Hey everybody, Scott Prius here at Listings to Leads. Welcome to the No Listing Lead Generation playlist here. If you don't have any listings, I'll tell you, FSBOs. Had a client that was actually interviewing him yesterday. 8 listings, 5 of which have closed coming out of FSBOs. He's looking at FSBOs on Zillow, finding out the FSBO information. He's then putting the listing into, or the property into his Listings to Leads account. And when you add it to Listings to Leads, you can check to include the FSBO homeowners information, the name, phone number, and everything like that. And it's absolutely awesome. So then he was getting the tools to the homeowner, showing them all the tools that he has to market, that he can give them so that they can market their home themselves. And they absolutely love it. So when they get done trying to be a FSBO themselves, then of course he can take that and change the status to just listed when he gets that listing. All right, so it's absolutely phenomenal. You got the single property websites, the virtual tours, the e-flyers for your database, the print flyer for nearby homeowners. I mean, you've got all the tools, the same tools that you've got for listings. All right, now you've got them for the FSBO. All right, this is an awesome way to get FSBOs engaged with you. You can give them all the tools they need to pretend they're a real estate agent, and then when they get done pretending, they can just go ahead and list with you, and you got Listings to Leads, you got the property already in there, and you're off and running. All right, so 8 listings, 5 closings. What more do you need to know about that? So if you have any questions, get into our mastermind group, ask questions, share your success, click on the support tab if you need help adding that FSBO listing to your account. But good luck with that. All right, thanks everybody, talk to you soon.